Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I would do my closet swap. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. But every single season, or well no, twice a year, I do switch out my closet. So right now I have all of my fall winter clothes in my closet right now, which no longer works obviously because it's officially spring. Let me put you guys down because I feel like this is just not flattering. That's better. So it's a little bit of a late start to the day. It's around, what time is it? Like 2 o'clock right now, because it's like this really ugly, like rainy day today, and the lighting was just awful this morning. I'm not gonna linger too much on the stuff that's already in my closet just because it's fall winter and literally it's summer. Well, no, it's spring, but like literally no one cares about fall winter fashion at this point. Like we're all sick of it, so I'm not gonna really I'm not even gonna talk about it. So if you want to see a more in-depth look at my fall winter clothes, I'll link my last season's closet swap where I talk about my fall winter stuff, if that helps. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. I'm actually kind of really digging this lighting right now. I thought it would be absolutely horrible, but it's actually pretty decent. And yes, my faux fur pink coat is still here on my closet, and it still has the tag in it because I have not had an opportunity to wear it, which is really unfortunate because it's absolutely beautiful. If you're wondering more about this gorgeous outfit, I'm sure you are, I have this big colorful sweater, these pants from Pull & Bear. They're just like regular denim. You guys know I like rarely wear jeans like ever, but I do own a pair of jeans just for days like this where I need to like do manual labor. So I went through all the stuff that's hanging inside my closet and I piled it up on top of my bed, and it's literally almost my height. Like, it's getting ridiculous. So I went through all that. I do have some things I'm going to show you inside my closet that kind of stay there all year round. So I just have these two really thin coats. This I need for a video still, and this I haven't worn yet, and it's a thinner material, so I think I can totally wear this in the spring. I have these blouses, like all of my white blouses pretty much just stay in my closet, and then I have these kind of like really pretty kind of colored ones. This is new, so that's just there. I have some skirts that I'm leaving in here. This one I'm planning on wearing tomorrow, so that's why I'm leaving it in there. And then I have these like thinner kind of jackets or like blazers that I think kind of work for the spring anyway, so I'm just leaving these in here. There's Rupert. I think I'm just going to tackle on all this stuff and just get rid of all that so that I have a bit more room and more lighting because it's blocking the entire window. I realized since I'm dealing with all the stuff that's hanging, I have to go through all of my dresses as well, because the way that I like to organize things is in my clothes room downstairs I have everything in like garment bags. So I like to layer like a bunch of dresses underneath the coats just so that I have a bit more room and it's not as bulky and like I don't have as many hangers hanging. Should I leave this? Like, would you consider this spring or fall or both? Am I even gonna be wearing this? Do you guys like this? I'm not like a huge fan of these zippers. You know what? I haven't even worn it in like 2 years. How cute is this dress? I got this last year from Joannie, and it is honestly one of my favorite dresses. It's like so 1950s, and I'm like absolutely in love with it, with the big collar and everything, and the cinched waist and the full skirt. Like, and it even has a matching belt. Like, I literally, like, I die every time I wear this. Like, am I gonna keep wearing this? No. But is this not like the cutest little candy striper like 1950s dress? I'm like obsessed with it. I got this at the Toronto Vintage Market like the first year that I went, and I still haven't had a chance to wear it, so I'm making it like my life's mission to wear it this year. It's so cute. Another great piece. I haven't had a chance to wear this either. I got this at the end of the season last year, and it is just like everything. How do we feel about this? I wore this to the Glossier pop-up, and it was like super cute with the outfit that I wore it with. Love the little ruffles, but I don't think I'm gonna get that much wear out of it anymore, so I'm kind of like... So I'm taking a bit of a coffee break. It's obviously like 3:30. You guys know I usually drink my coffee at like 3:30ish. I am like so hot right now. Wearing a turtleneck and a sweater was not the best idea, and I'm also moving around a lot, and I keep eating these crunch bites as I move along, and it's just like too much chocolate, too much moving around. I've made so much progress. Like, I'll show you. This is what my bed looks like now. So I have a few jackets to put away still. These are all like the skirts that I have to put away still. My closet is looking a bit fuller. Ignore the tripod. I have to deal with the event dresses still because they're like really long, so I have to put them, the long ones, towards the back and all that sort of thing. So I have this nice donation pile going on, which is awesome. So I might just like try on a bunch of this stuff and see what things I'm actually going to be donating, because I don't know, I kind of want to try everything on. Hi guys, so it's been like 2 days since I last saw you. Right now it's Easter Sunday, and do you ever like spend time with people and it's been like a long day and you just kind of want to chill and like do nothing? Well, that's me right now. So I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to try on all the stuff that I have that I'm like thinking about donating, that I took out from my closet. So everything that I pretty much did was just do all the hanging stuff in my closet along with like the dresses on the side. I haven't done any of like my sweaters or drawers or anything yet, so I thought I would get you guys' opinions. So I'm gonna try on that stuff, which I feel like I've said that like 4 times already. So yeah, let's just get into it, I guess. Okay, so this is the first thing that I have, and it's this romper I showed you guys like 2 days ago. And like it's cute and all, it's from Shein, and like I love the print. I think it's like really fun, very like 1970s with like the wide leg and everything. But I wore it for Fashion Week, and like it's just not the nicest fitting romper because it's like kind of wide on the sides here, as you can see there. And the material is just really, really thin and like clingy. So I don't like it when it gets all staticky. So I'm probably gonna end up donating this. So then I have this jacket, which is like so not even my style anymore. Like I don't even know what I was thinking. Like there was like this one phase where I was like, okay, like I'm gonna try and be cool and like wear what people are wearing, like what's trendy or like whatever. And I thought these were really cute, but it's very clearly not my style, and like I don't even know what I was trying to do. Anyway, so obviously I think I'm just gonna end up donating this. Okay, then I have this other denim jacket, and this one I'm still kind of like debating if I want to keep it or not because it is very cute. I love the cherries on it. I think it's like adorable. But I don't know how much wear I'm actually gonna get out of it because I don't really wear denim jackets that much. So I don't know, like out of all the ones that I have, I do really like this one just because of the little like cherry print on it. I think it's like really cute. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I donate this? Should I keep it? Thoughts? Okay, then I have this like shearling little jacket. This is from Bershka, I'm pretty sure. And I do love the color. I love the photos that I took with this. I think it's like really cozy and soft and like warm. But it's just not really my style anymore. I'm not really sure how much wear I'm actually gonna get out of it. Just don't think it's something that will enhance the rest of the pieces in my wardrobe. So I don't really see the point of keeping it if I'm not gonna wear it that often. Okay, so then I have another denim jacket, and like honestly, who knew that I had this many denim jackets? Like not me. So I have this one, and this one's a bit of a darker color. It has no distressing on it. Why did I pronounce that like so weird? It has no distressing on it. I do think it's really, really cute. I got this when I was in Peru, and it does have like the really small little shearling collar. Okay, so last outerwear piece that I have is this raincoat, and it is pink, and it has like a hood on it, which like I hate hoods, so like yeah, I don't really think I'm gonna get that much wear out of this. I did recently get one that is like similar in color, like it is another raincoat, but it's a different material. This one's like really plasticky. Okay, this one is another top that I'm kind of on the fence about because I do love the print. I think it's really, really cute. I love gingham. I think it's adorable. I am not 100% sure on these roses. I don't know if it's really something I'm really that into anymore. This was sent to me. It is really cute. Like I don't hate it or anything. I just don't know how often I would wear it. Although it does look really cute with these pants. Okay, so this is another top that I'm like seriously thinking that I'm just gonna end up donating it. I love the collar detailing. I think it's stunning. I actually really, really love that. I love the little puffy, slightly puffy sleeves. They're really, really cute. What I hate about this top is that it has this like what's this called? Like little pleats all over the bottom of it, which is fine. The only thing is I find it really difficult to tuck into pants. Can we just discuss how awful this looks? Like, see what I mean? I'm pretty sure like when I, oh my god, this looks so bad. Okay, I'm pretty sure that when I bought this, I was wearing a dress, so I didn't actually tuck it into anything. I do love the color though, and I love the collar on it. I think it's absolutely stunning, but just the fact that I can't tuck it in or it just looks like this is just like really heartbreaking for me. So I totally forgot to show you guys something. Okay, get this. So I have this jacket that looks like this. It's from Guess. It's like a shearling jacket. It's got like a black little like soft material. It looks like really dirty. It's honestly not. It's just like the bad lighting. Anyway, so it has like the shearling on the inside. It's really, really cute, and I had it hanging on the inside of my closet, and look at what it did to my closet. It literally stained the wall where it was because it was hanging on this little hook, and like look at that. It did it like here, a little bit there, but mostly here from like the hood. Isn't that so weird? Lighting is absolutely horrible, but we're gonna do this anyway. Okay, so I have this big Tupperware filled with clothes. I'm just gonna empty it out and then fill it with sweaters and see what I keep, what I donate, you know, the usual. Guys, so I'm finally done switching over my closet, and I am so excited to show you how it turned out. I'm like literally obsessed. I downsized so many things, so I have so much more room to fit in some new pieces in there, and I'm just like really in love with everything that I'm keeping, so I'm really happy about that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So starting with my garment rack, this is what it looks like. It has all of my summer dresses on it. As you can see, all of these colors are like way more like pastels and like bright colors, and it just makes me really, really happy for the upcoming season. I have so many new vintage pieces that I'm excited to share with you. You guys have no idea like what's coming this season. I'm so excited. So this is what the closet looks like. It's always looking really cluttered, I know, but like I literally got rid of so many things. So on this side, I decided to end up putting all of the event dresses down here just because I have a little bit more room on the bottom. And then I have some midi skirts here, which I'm still missing a few because I ran out of hangers. And then I have like regular skirts and like these tiered hangers. I have all of my blouses, and then I have all of the summer like little jackets and stuff, as you can see from the bright colors. And then up here, I just have my shoes. I ended up adding all of like the more colorful ones on the bottom shelf, and then having like the darker tone ones up at the top, just because, I don't know, I just wanted the brighter ones like closer to my face, I guess. I did have these two shelves open, so I ended up putting some handbags in there because I have way more summer handbags than I do like all year round. So I just put those there. That's pretty much it for my closet. I'm so excited with how it turned out. My room, as you can see, is still a major disaster, so I need to like deal with that. But yeah, I'm really, really excited. If you have any requests for the spring and summer, let me know in the comments below. I'm like trying to plan what kind of videos that I want to do. I definitely want to do some more film fashion type videos because you guys know I love films. So I've been trying to do these videos where I recreate outfits from different movies. That's something that I've been wanting to do for such a long time, so I'm making it like a goal of mine to do that this summer and just kind of start that series out and see how that goes. So if you have any movie requests, let me know in the comments below. That would be really, really helpful as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't subscribed already, and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!